Alrighty, Randall, here's your 363 small block Ford. Your description's combination, got to say AFRs. Got the Edelbrock manifold, 6-dual carburetor, MSD Pro Billet, custom grind hydraulic oil, Innovators West dampener, Aviaid Oil Pan. Go in there and make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Alrighty, 3600, 390 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 459, peak horsepower 532, rated at 530, so everything's good. Told you now is pull the pipes back, make sure exhaust is good and clean, and show you a couple other things. When you see your engine, you'll find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card, full of technical information, engine build specs, engine pictures, dyno video, a lot of tech stuff. Highly recommend watching it. On the engine will be this tag. It'll have your engine number, some other specifications. If you need anything from us, that engine number is the easiest way for us to look you up. Have a great day.